So managing instances is, through our CSV import and export. For those who are familiar with application server and system platform, prior to 2023, this used to be called Galaxy, it's a Galaxy dump and load, and this is just change of a name. But basically, what you'll get in the sorry, a little technical difficulty. But what you'll get in the new import is the ability to manage the object wizard options and choices inside of that CSV load. So you can configure in a bulk setting not only the choices and options in a Galaxy or a wizard template, but in addition, you can actually set the IO device reference that you saw there in the beginning as well. So some new features that are available to be imported and as well as exported to and from your objects.